Okay, so in this problem, we're told that Joel can drive his car 450 miles at a steady speed using 15 gallons of gasoline. So we have 15 gallons of gas, right? That takes us 450 miles. Make a rate table showing the number of miles his car can be driven at this speed. Show 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 10 gallons of gas. So we're going to have a table here, right? And in one column we'll have the gas, in the other miles that we can go, and they want to know from 1 all the way up through 10 gallons of gas, right? They want us to write down how many miles we'll go. And here's the information we can use right here. So 15 gallons of gas will take us 450 miles. We want to know, and this is where a proportion will become useful, right? 15 gallons of gas for 450 miles. Well, we want to know if you're using another amount of gas, right? How many miles will you go? So let's say you have 1 gallon of gas. Well, we want to know how many miles will you go. So here I'm solving for this missing variable, and I can notice some different patterns, I guess. I notice that 15 gallons of gas here, to get the 1 gallon of gas here, I have to divide that number by 15. So I can also divide 450 by 15, right? And that will give me the x value, the number of miles I can go on 1 gallon of gas. So what's 450 miles, or 450 divided by 15? Well, 45 divided by 15 is 3. So 450 divided by 15 should be not 3, but 30. And that tells me that 1 gallon of gas will take me 30 miles. And then 2 gallons of gas will take me 60 miles. And so forth, right? Every time we add a gallon, we're going to go up another 30 miles. 150, 180, 210, right? 240, 270, and 300. And that makes sense. If 1 gallon of gas took us 30, then 10 should take us 10 times that, or 300. So this rate table is just a way of showing, right, the idea of and relationship between the gas, right, that we're using, the miles we're going, and I establish a unit rate here. This is my unit rate, and the unit rate is just a ratio that relates to the number 1. So 1 gallon of gas, how many miles will that go? Or 1 mile, how many gallons of gas will we use? Right? There are different ways of looking at it. As long as the number 1 is in there somewhere, then you have a unit rate. All right, hope this helped.